Hello, John Gandolfo here from the Gandolfo team at Coldwell Bank and American Homes. I'm here today to introduce number 4 Wexford Lane in the villas at Oceanside in beautiful Oceanside, New York. This fabulous upper-level unit features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a loft that can be used as a 3rd bedroom, an office, or a den. The large open floor plan features living room, dining room with cathedral ceilings, a balcony, eating kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar. A master suite with a full bath and walk-in closet, hardwood floors, laundry area in the unit, convenient to all that Oceanside has to offer. So let's go take a look.